The topic of Session 8 is financial aid. And in order to get started in Session 8, I want to take a moment and draw your attention to something that's in our course syllabus. The section that you see on the screen is entitled Student Learning Outcomes. This is something that the state of North Carolina has implemented for ACA 122. Unlike other courses that simply have a course description, ACA has specific student learning outcomes that we are required to teach, review, and assess within the course. Bringing your attention to student learning outcome number 5, you will see financial aid included in the outcome. That brings us to Session 8's topic, financial aid. Activity 1 will have you click on a link and watch the Nash Community College Financial Aid presentation. This is a presentation that reviews the aspects of financial aid at Nash Community College and federally. Learning about financial aid, how and when it can be used, as well as the implications of your course grades, your withdrawal status, and your completion status is very important to continuing your educational journey. Even today, if you don't qualify for financial aid or you have never applied for financial aid, don't assume this does not apply to you. Take this opportunity to learn about an important aspect of potential assistance for you in your educational journey. Once you've completed watching the presentation video, you will click on Activity 2, the Financial Aid Quiz. This is an easy review of the information that you just watched in the video. Please make sure that you review the video before taking the quiz. And finally, we get to the major assessment that is due in Session 8. The advisor meeting assignment. This has been a long time coming as you have had multiple weeks and multiple reminders about getting this assignment completed. Please remember that this is one assignment, but that it is broken down into 3 parts. There is a submission link for each part here in Session 8. Be sure that you submit very carefully, making sure that you are uploading the correct files into the corresponding submission link. If you have not begun the completion of this assignment, you need to get started immediately. Because this assignment was first shared with you in Session 6, there will be no extensions to the deadline. You have had many weeks to make sure that you and your advisor have had an opportunity to get together and plan out your future at Nash Community College. Reach out immediately if you have questions or concerns about this assignment or the items that need to be submitted. Once again, make sure that you review all directions for assignments. Contact me if you have questions or concerns,